Today we're looking at the Kasper and Richter Alpin compass. The compass has a detachable lanyard. On the case of the compass is a degree to percent gradient table. As we open up the case, we see that the base plate is completely transparent. There are 4 rubber feet, 1 in each corner of the base plate. Along the bottom and up one of the sides is a roamer for 1 to 50,000 and 1 to 25,000 scale. There are cutouts for map marking on the base plate. There's a magnifying glass with a luminescent sight line bisecting it. There's a luminescent direction of travel arrow. Along the sides of the base plate are ruler markings, got centimeters over here and inches over here. As we move into the dial, we see that the dial itself is luminescent, and the declination is very easy to adjust on this compass. Simply grab the outer dial and turn the inner rotary. Very easy, one way or the other. As we look at the needle, we see that the tip is luminescent on the north arrow, and it rests on a sapphire pivot. This sapphire pivot helps with precision and stability when taking a reading. There's also a black inclinometer indicator for taking readings. Now the needle and the indicator are enclosed in a thermo-elastic capsule. This thermo-elastic capsule is very flexible, and it does 2 things. It prevents hairline cracks from forming when dropped from reasonable distances, and it also helps prevent air bubbles from forming in the dampening fluid. At the base of the dial are red orienting lines. As we move into the lid, we see a sighting device, and then we see an aluminum mirror. It's not plexiglass or glass, so it's much more durable. There is a sight line in the middle of the mirror. Above the mirror, we have another luminescent sight line. And at the top of the case, we have another sighting device. And that is the Kasper and Richter Alpin compass.